Understanding web links is paramount to creating a good website. Before we dive in creating links on a web page, it's important that we understand a little bit about how to navigate our site using links. Let me show you what I mean. First of all, what exactly do links do for us? Well, links make the web work. They also provide a way to link to other pages, images, files, and URLs, including email links. Now, what types of links do we have in Dreamweaver? Well, on the web, there are essentially two main types of links. We have absolute links, which is essentially a direct link to a web page. So, for example, www.videotobrain.com. Relative links, on the other hand, are a way of navigating to pages within your site. So, for example, even if my website is videotobrain.com, when I want to navigate to another file within my site, there's no need for me to go all the way back out to videotobrain.com. I can navigate within the site itself. So let's take a look at an example of relative links. Let's, for instance, take an example of a typical folder structure. You can see up here at the top we have the main site folder, and within that main site we have three subfolders: Events, Menu, and Contact. So for example, if I wanted to navigate to the main site folder, that is essentially going to be represented using a forward slash. The forward slash essentially takes me to the root of my site. Let's take a look at another example. If I have an events folder, that's a subfolder in the site, and there's a file in there called index.html. If I wanted to navigate to that folder and that file from the main site folder, I would do it with a relative URL that looks like this. I would put a forward slash to start at the root of the site, then events to go into the events folder, and then index.html to locate that file within that folder. Let's take a look at one more example. Let's say, for example, we have this menu folder, and then within that folder, we want to access an index.html file in the events folder. How would I access that file? Well, using web markup, I can represent that using .. And what that essentially means is that from the menu folder, .. is going to go up one level in the directory structure, essentially to the main site folder. And then it's going to go into the events folder and into the index.html folder. Now that you have a better understanding of how links work on the web and how to navigate to the correct file within a site, you can begin building links on your own using web pages with Dreamweaver CS6.